What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this liftgate trim piece on this 2010 Honda Fit. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. To remove the rear wiper arm, we need to take this little trim piece off. Just slide that out, just like that. I'm going to remove this nut. I'm going to use a 10mm socket and a ratchet. I'm going to hold the arm while I loosen this up. Take that off, just grab the arm, just rock it back and forth. Should be able to break it free. It's a good idea to mark this before you take it off. You can mark the windshield or just take note of where it was before. You want to pull this trim off, just grab underneath here, just pull it straight down. You can use a trim tool. Comes right down, has all these push retainers, a little B in there. There's a screw right here. You can try to use a Phillips head screwdriver or you can use an 8mm socket and a ratchet. Take this screw out. It's in there pretty tight. All right, so I'm taking a pry bar and going through here. There's all these push clips that hold this on. There's one right here. There's some more over here. There's one there. You can try to get this one up with a pry bar as well. Just push it like that. And there's a couple more over here. All right, so I got most of those released except for one right here. I'm just gonna see if I can pull from the front. There we go. Oh, that one broke right there. But those would be the push clips that you can get off from the inside. And then that one's got that screw. If you could get a pry bar right in between here, you could get that last clip that broke on ours, either with a pry bar or a small screwdriver right above the wiper motor. Just take this, we're gonna slide this over the wiper motor. Just get the clips lined up. Those lined up. Just snap it back into place. There we go. And if the weather stripping didn't line up like right there, you can just take a little pick. Take a little pick, get underneath here. Get that, make sure that looks good all the way around. Take this screw, an 8mm socket, extension and a ratchet. We'll get this started. And then just snug it down. All right, take this panel, just line the clips up and just press it back up. To reinstall this wiper arm, you want to line this up just like that. Take this nut, get this started. Take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Then I'm going to hold the arm and just snug this up, not too tight. Make sure it's not too loose. Take this cover and just slide it over.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.